Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and I'm still fulfilling requests about the mini alphabet punch board. And the next request that I get a lot on my channel is how to punch out a circle using this board. So here's a shape that you can punch out, and you just round the corners of a square. So next I'm going to try to punch out a circle. And what I did was cut out my square at 1.5 inches on all 4 sides. So I'm just going to take this square and punch it out on all 4 sides and see what happens. And I'm going to punch it on this side. Get this shape. I showed this before on the big board. You can use this as an ornament. Looks like a lemon. And I'm going to slide this in this way. This looks like a teardrop or a raindrop. Slide it in this way. And here's your perfect circle. So I hope that's helpful to anyone out there who wanted to punch out a circle. So that's the only size I know that you can punch out using the alphabet punch board. Well, the mini one. 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. That is the best I can do for this tiny board. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. Take care. Have a fabulous day.